Welcome back, guys. CryptoFi channel. Let's take a look at the XRP targets updates with my custom sets. You remember all targets bullish for XRP. My take is still the same. So I think the top of the top, it can be around the $5. So I don't think so. The XRP will hit $10 or even the high price targets. Maybe in the future, yes, but not now. So, and at the same time, I still believe it's not the end of this time. Like we just go in a deep bear market, into 42 cents, 20 cents, once again to zone of accumulation. No, this is still the same accumulation zone. What we track since this token exists. Basically, if we use this FEEP, and yes, congrats everybody who hold the XRP. 8 years, and now maybe someone recover back to the break-even entry after the 8 years, maybe some in profit. And I'm still waiting like 3 drives pattern, 1, 2, and third up, like total Ifria craziness can be at 482. So still the same. So some data. So XRP realizes price based on the Glassnode data. So this one is approximately this line. It's $1.48. So on-chain mirror showing us, so the XRP average holder cost basis, it's $1.80. So a lot of people in average who hold the XRP, can be in losses. Because this is $1.80. It's exactly 38 level by FEEP. Yes, in temporary losses, in unrealized losses. So that's why, guys, I think would be good to test maybe $1.44. Because I don't think so we're going to drop under $1 now. But sooner or later, anyway, we will come back and close this monthly gap. This is a so huge monthly gap. And the positive case, if, for example, BTC dropped to 72K and XRP just start build something like this price action, hit the all-time high again and go into new bear market. The bottom in the next bear market, if it will be the new all-time high like this one, I think will be around 87 cents or maybe the $1. I don't know. But if we go in like this one, it can be this bottom. Once again, 20 cents, 93, 42, 95. So be careful with the XRP because it's one of not so many tokens which already performed and made a new all-time high. That's why congrats everybody who made the right choice, because I guess this cycle, the winner only who choose the right tokens, because not wide sector of altcoins perform, and I guess 90% of alts are just slowly dying, and many will be delisted, I guess, and one shift from the market. So the locally, like you can see, $1.44, and around maybe the sweep of this liquidity, $1.38 with the weak candle, even to fulfill of the weekly $1.25, it can be like a main support block for XRP. If we talk about a support, monthly gap is like a capitulation down. So once again, take a look at the ADZ direction. Oh, ADZ I can't show you because it's a global ticker. No signal of accumulation based on direction indicator, unfortunately, guys. So I hope on a weekly time frame. So I hope we just hold the line and bounce back if it's a like a range. So this is a top, this is a deviation at the top, this is a bottom, and would be good to see the deviation at the bottom at $1.44.75, maybe with $1.35, and go higher to the new all-time high. If not, 87, 42.95, 90.20, 20.93. So unfortunately, guys, it is what it is. Daily time frame, finally we see some signal of accumulation based on a direction indicator like it was in June 25. It's good. It's bullish. Take a look at the market mood. Of course, it's disbelief capitulation on a daily. Nice, it's capitulation even on a weekly. So the last time, if we talk about a potential uptrend move, it was the same sentiment like it was June 2024. So absolutely the same. Monthly, even the monthly a little bit come down. So from the area, we drop it to some positive. It was like March 2022. But of course, we can't compare that 2022 to 2026. Totally different world now after the 4 years. So I'm more about the hold the line and the bounce. Bullish on the monthly, there is no bullish signal, but at least no bearish. Monthly, no money outflow, some money inflow. starts showing us on November 785, December 785, now nothing. So you can add alerts and track the money inflow on the weekly time frame. XRP. A time to sell will be again when we will see something like 1, 2, 3 refixation top and money outflow from XRP on the weekly time frame, and the daily also bullish money inflow now. Trade on, sell, last one, January 7, take profit. It's good because we saw the take profit. Here is a buy. Would be good to see one more, maybe 2 drops and 2 signals to buy long confirmation and go higher. This one's still relevant. So if you want to open trade now, for example, you can use like second leverage, try to open some long, 5% stop loss, 10% with 10x second leverage, and target, I don't know, can be over than this high is like 10 against 100. Nice risk ratio, and over even to new weights to new all-time high. After some 50%, just withdrawing some initial deposit, take profit. Just mark up to you. Depends if how greedy you are, and stop loss to the break even. We take profit. This is what I don't like. We didn't retest the buy line. The buy line now on a daily is $1.3584. So most likely we will drop and come test it at this block. I don't think so. We will drop to the $1.01 on a daily. Buy line on a 12 time frame, it's $1.29. Also more likely we're going to drop and test. Weekly time frame, we saw underrated, and $1.27. So everything what is around $1.27, $1.35 in this tiny range, it's going to be the bottom for the XRP for potential bounce. After that, if we drop and reject at a take profit line, it's going to be the downtrend to the bottom again. If we drop, bounce, break the structure, this is going to be another high. So just in case, guys. Monthly also, here's a line chart dynamic. So now it's a test of above the exit line $1.22. But I think in the next few months, it's going to be $1.35. Guys, I hope you like this video. Right, please send a comment what you think about XRP now. If you'd like to trade with my customer set, what I showed in this video is right medium. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.